with great surprise, it is another extraordinary, beautiful day as once again, reigning Miss Universe Demi Lee Nell Peters and 2016 Miss Universe Iris Mitiner have come over to join our very own Miss Universe P Awards back. This is G Sharma bringing you the inside scoop for Grit and Glam, a two-day affair showcasing the three confidently beautiful Miss Universe queens with a bonus this time. The world's strongest men. Let's take a peek at the Grit and Glam press con now happening here at the Sofitel.
I'm very happy to be reunited with the Miss Universe family, and I'm glad that you guys are here. Pia has just always been such a timeless beauty to me, and she's always just being herself and staying true to who she is. She's always nice. She never has like a moment down, and she's always smiling and always so kind. So I love you, Pia.
Front Row is all about health and beauty, and of course we're very grateful for the opportunity to partner once again with the Miss Universe organization.
Press con is completely over. Ready for more? Because we have an exclusive front row photo shoot with three Miss Universe queen coming up next.
We've been here so much, it really is a second home, so it's nice, very nice. And to share it with the world's strongest friend, I talked to a lot of the crew and the staff for that show, and they had an amazing time, and they said the Filipino hospitality was just incredible.
We're happy to be back here with Front Row. We're doing the Grit and Glam event, which is a combination of Miss Universe and the World's Strongest Man.
How are you enjoying today's shooting Front Row?
Great! As usual, very chill naman sila, Sam and everyone. So I'm happy to be shooting again for Front Row.
Let's take this rare chance to meet the three stunning Miss Universe beauties at their front row shoot here at Empire PH Studios.
It's always lovely to be in the Philippines. I'm so excited to work with Front Row again. Always good to be back. It's always so amazing. The team here is just incredible, from the hair and makeup to the stylist to the photographer. So well put together, and it's always just such a pleasure to be here and to work with the team. It feels like home being in the Philippines, so I'm very, very happy. Everybody is so nice with me. It's always a pleasure to be here with Front Row, and because we're enjoying every moment with them. So it's a great team, and yeah, I'm with Pia, Demi, and I think we're all agreeing to say that it's always a good time with Front Row.
It's always nice to be reunited with the Miss Universe organization. It's just nice to bring everyone together in one photo shoot, and if it wasn't for Front Row, we wouldn't be here today.
So it's a wrap for day one, where we just had the press con and photo shoot for Grit and Glam. Once again, this is G Sharma. I'll see you all again tomorrow for the highly anticipated Grit and Glam celebration at Cove Okada.
Only at Front Row.